Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, how are you students? Welcome back to Mathematics class with Miss Hari. And today we are going to talk about equal and equivalent. Okay, do you know the meaning of equal and equivalent? Okay, in Bahasa Indonesia, equal means sama and equivalent means setara or senilai. Setara atau senilai. Jadi kita nanti akan mencari suatu bentuk penjumlahan yang senilai, yang artinya hasilnya sama. Okay, let's see. First, let's try to make some additions that has the total 20. Okay, first. Yeah, 19 plus 1 equals 20, right? Okay, let's find out the other of additions. Yeah, 18 plus 2 equals 20, right? And the others? 17 plus 3 equals 20. And then 16 plus 4. And 15 plus 5, 14 plus 6, 13 plus 7, 12 plus 8, 11 plus 9, 10 plus 10. Nah, that's all. And then please look at all of the additions there. Okay, all of the additions have 20 as a total, right? Jadi semua bentuk penjumlahan yang ada di dalam layar itu hasilnya adalah 20. Betul ya? Okay. Nah, it means that all of the additions there has the equivalent total. Jadi mereka memiliki hasil yang sama, right? Nah, artinya penjumlahan-penjumlahan itu adalah ekuivalen. Mereka punya nilai yang sama atau jumlah yang sama. So, we can say that equivalent always give same value or total. Jadi yang namanya ekuivalen itu hasilnya akan selalu sama nilainya atau jumlah totalnya sama. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's try to write additions with the total 15. Coba sekarang kita buat penjumlahan yang hasilnya 15. First is 10 plus 5, right? Okay. Is it equivalent with 9 plus 6? Okay, please try to count. Okay, 10 plus 5, and then please count the next 9 plus 6. Is it 15 too? Yes. In the left side has a total 15, and in the right side has 15 too as a total. So, all of the additions, the both of additions is equivalent. Okay? Ya, walaupun bentuk penjumlahannya beda, 10 ditambah 5, kemudian yang sebelah kanan 9 ditambah 6, mereka mempunyai hasil yang sama. Jadi, mereka bisa dikatakan sebagai penjumlahan yang equivalent. Okay? Let's try the next. Okay, the others additions that has the total 15 is 14 plus 1 and 13 plus 2. Okay, you can check it. Please check it. Is it correct that they have a equivalent total? Yes, 15 plus 1 is 15. 14 plus 1 is 15. And 13 plus 2 is 15. So they are equivalent. Okay? Let's continue. Nah, can you write calculation with the same total 15? Yeah, the other is 12 and 3. And then, what additions that has the same total? Okay, you can write down the subtraction form. Bisa juga kalian cari bentuk pengurangannya yang hasilnya sama. Bisa penjumlahan dan pengurangan ternyata. Ketika hasil mereka sama, mereka juga dikatakan equivalent. Okay, because they have the same total, the same amount, yeah, 15 and 15. Let's see the next. 11 plus 4 equals 15, right? And we can find out the subtraction form with the 20 minus 5. Yeah, they have the same total. Jumlah mereka sama, 15 and 15, so they are equivalent too. Okay, it's easy, right? Yeah, okay, let's continue. What about calculation with the same total of 12? First, let's make one addition that has the total 12. 10 plus 2. And then what about the other form? Yeah, the subtraction form is 15 minus 3. So, they have the equivalent total too. 12 and 12. Nah, so they are equivalent. Let's find out the other. 11 plus 1 is 12. And then let's find out the subtraction form. Yeah, 12 minus 8 is 12 too. So they are equivalent. Okay, let's see the next example. What about calculation with the same total is 16? Can you find out? Yes, very good. 12 plus 4 equals 18 minus 2. They are equivalent to because they has the same total, 16 and 16, right? Yeah, let's see the next. 8 plus 8 equals 16. It is equal with 19 minus 3. So they are equivalent to because they has the same total. So let's make conclusion that the equivalent is always have the same value or amount. Okay, and I can repeat the one example that for example 5 plus 2 and 9 minus 2 have the same value because they have the same total, 7 and 7, so they are equivalent. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. And if you find some difficulties, you may ask to me by WA or something else. Okay, and I want you to finish your worksheet and please submit to me in the next meeting. Okay, thank you for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.